Welcome back for practicing the GMAT Quant questions. Let's try this interesting question. It says that on Christmas, Susan bought a few flowers for $1. The flower vendor was running a special Christmas offer which Susan did not opt for. Had she opted for the offer, she would have spent $2 but got 30 more flowers and saved 60 cents per each dozen of the flowers. How many flowers did she buy? So there are two things if we understand the question carefully. One is that there is a regular price of the flowers, right, which she bought, and there was some offer which is there. If she would have taken the offer, there must be some saving which she could have done. Now let's understand what was the regular price and what was the offer price, right? If she has few flowers, let's say she has taken X flowers. So can we say that X flowers, she would have bought at $1, that is 100 cents, right? Why? Because question has cent in it. Either you convert cent to dollars or dollars to cent. So let's say $1 is 100 cents. So she has paid for X flowers 100 cent at a regular price. That means what will be the per flower cost? She must have paid 100 over X. That should be the price of one flower at a regular price, right? Regular costing would costed her 100 upon X cents would be the price of one flower. Now offer price. If she would have opted for the offer, she would have got $2 in $2 30 more. That means if X are the original flowers, she would have got X plus 30 flowers, and this costing of X plus 30 flowers, she would have got in $2. That means 200 cent, right? $1, 100 cent, $2, 200 cent. That means for an offer, she would have purchased bought one flower. The costing must be 200 over X plus 30, right? That must be the costing in cent for one flower if we understand this with respect to one flower. Now, saving, how much according to question? If she would have taken the offer, she would have saved 60 cents for 12 dozen. That means for 12 flower, one dozen, that is 12 flowers, she would have saved 60 cent. 60 cents she would have saved. That means for one flower, she would have saved, 60 upon 12 cents. That means she must have saved, if she would have taken the offer for each flower, she would have saved 5 cents. Got this? Now let's understand the options gives us the values of X here. Let's start with the option, right? And find out the regular price and the offer price. Wherever the difference is 5 cent, that will be the correct option, right? So we are starting with the options to solve this particular question. Not much. We'll just have to, what will be, if X is 40, so what will be the regular price? It will be 100 over 40. If X is 40, we'll just substitute. And what will be the offer price? She would have paid 200 over, if X is 40 from option A, so 40 plus 30, that is 70. Now, is this difference, right? This is going to be 2.5, 20 over 7, that is approximately 2.8 something. So this difference is not coming out to be 5 cent. That means option A can be cancelled out. What about option B now? X is 30. So what will be the regular price? It will be 100 over 30, 100 over 30. And what will be the offer price? It will be 200 over 30 plus 30. That is 60. Solving this, 10 upon 3, that is 3.33. And this is again 10 by 3, 20. And this is 3. So 10 by 3, again 3.33. So are we getting a difference of 5 cents? No. Option B also we have eliminated, right? Let's now understand option C. Let me remove this to make space to write. Let's understand option C now. Just substituting x as now the value as 20. So if x is 20, so it will be per flour cost, it will be 100 over 20. And how much will be the offer price in that case? It will be 200 over 20 plus 30, that is 50. So this is going to be 5 here, and this is 5 cents, and this is 4 cent here. So that is 4 cents. Is the difference coming out to be 5 cent? No, that is 1 cent is only saved. We require 5 cents to be saved. Option C eliminated. What about option D? Option D, the answer will be 100 over 15, and the offer price will be how much? That will be 200 over 15 plus 30, that is 45. So when we convert 100 over 15, that is approximately 6.66 something. Similarly, 200 upon 45, that comes out to be 4.444. So how much is it a difference of 5 cents? No, that is not a 5 cent difference. That means option D also eliminated. Now we are only left with option E. That will be the correct answer. Let's re-verify by just substituting the values of x as 10 in the given equation which we have found out, right? This expression, let's substitute option E, which is x as 10. So it will be 100 over 10, and this will be 200 over 10 plus 40, 10 plus 30, that is 40. So this regular price comes out to be 10 cents. The offer price, that is 5 cents now. Is the difference coming out to be 5 cents? Yes. Offer price and regular price, the difference, the saving is 5 cents, which was required. Option E is the correct answer here. I hope you got the question. We have just solved the question by understanding it well, finding out and using the options to solve this question. I hope you found this helpful. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, please, guys.